election is announced by poll for Ponda Assembly constituency on 15th of this month. Last date of filing nomination is on 23rd and the election is on April 9th. So arrangements have been done. AROs, ROs and other officers who will be conducting the elections are already trained. We have visited the RO office and the polling stations. We have set up the static surveillance team, flying squad, FST, video surveillance team and the other team. Various nodal officers have also been appointed who are taking care of various responsibilities in connection with the bypoll. Now regarding the machines which will be used for the election, first round of randomization happened today in the presence of political party. They were present, and after randomization today, machines are being shifted from the district strong room to the strong room in Ponda Assembly constituency. Model code of conduct is in place, so I request all the stakeholders to adhere to the model code of conduct. Any permissions which are required, I request the people to apply to the returning officer for Ponda AC and obtain permission and adhere to strictly to the model code of conduct. Thank you.